Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to L&E channel. Today, we're diving into something truly joyful. 10 beautiful flowers you can plant in fall, perfect for warm places like Zone 10B here in the US. Whether you have a balcony, a patio, or just a sunny corner by your window, these flowers will fill your space with noni color, fragrance, and happiness. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's explore the magic of fall planting together. Top 10 flowers to grow in fall, Zone 10B. 1. Petunia. The colorful classic. Petunias are bright, cheerful, and bloom non-stop. They love the sunshine, about 6 hours a day, and do best in light, airy soil. Don't forget to trim off faded flowers so new blooms keep coming. 2. Marigold, the sunshine flower. Marigolds are the true flowers of autumn. They're easy to grow, love full sun, and bring warm golden colors to your porch or patio. Plus, they naturally repel garden pests. A perfect bonus. 3. Pansy, the sweet autumn bloom. If you love cooler evenings, pansies are your best friends. They thrive in mild weather, come in dozens of colors, and even smile at you with their cute petal faces. 4. Begonia, the shade lover. Have a shady spot? Try begonias. They bloom beautifully in filtered light and love slightly moist soil. Perfect for porches or areas that don't get strong sunlight. 5. Impatiens, the endless bloomer. Impatiens bring soft beauty to shady corners. They bloom almost year-round in Zone 10B. Keep their soil damp, and they'll reward you with endless color. 6. Geranium, the cheerful bloomer. Geraniums are loved by gardeners everywhere. They adore sunlight, grow quickly, and give clusters of vibrant red, pink, or white flowers. Feed them every 2 weeks and enjoy months of color. 7. Alyssum, the sweet-scented carpet. Tiny but mighty. Alyssum has delicate white or lavender blooms with a lovely honey scent. It's perfect for the edge of your pots. Soft, gentle, and beautiful. 8. Chrysanthemum, the flower of fall. No fall garden is complete without chrysanthemums. They bloom for weeks, come in every color you can imagine, and symbolize happiness and longevity. Give them morning sun and trim off spent flowers to keep them blooming longer. 9. Lantana, the butterfly magnet. Lantanas love warm weather and bright sun, perfect for Zone 10B. Their colorful blooms attract butterflies and hummingbirds all season long. Let the soil dry a bit between watering. They like it that way. 10. Calibrachoa, the mini petunia. Last but not least, Calibrachoa, also called the million bells. They're like tiny petunias that bloom endlessly in hanging baskets or pots. Give them lots of sunlight, regular watering, and enjoy a waterfall of color. Gardening tips. To make your flowers thrive this fall, remember these quick tips. Place pots where they get at least 4 to 6 hours of gentle sunlight daily. Water 2 to 3 times a week. Enough to keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Use well-draining soil mixed with compost for healthy roots. Add a little slow-release fertilizer every few weeks for steady growth. Remove faded blooms. Your plants will thank you with new flowers. See, gardening doesn't need a big yard. Just a little love, sunlight, and joy. When you plant flowers, you're not only making your home beautiful, you're also growing happiness, peace, and positivity in your heart. So this fall, let's fill our homes with color, fragrance, and life. Start small, maybe just one pot on your balcony, and watch how it brightens your day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to L&E channel. Thank you for watching, friends, and happy gardening! See you in the next video.